The recent appointment of Douglas Kanja as Kenya's Inspector General of Police marks a significant moment in the National Police Service, particularly against the backdrop of the controversies surrounding his predecessor, Gilbert Masengeli. Kanja, who was sworn in on September 19, 2024, after being nominated by President William Ruto and approved by Parliament, faces a complex landscape shaped by recent events in the police force and the judiciary. Appointment of Douglas Kanja. Douglas Kanja's appointment comes at a critical time for the National Police Service, following the resignation of Japhet Koome amid public outcry over police conduct during protests. Kanja, who previously served as Deputy Inspector General and acted as Inspector General during Koome's absence, brings a wealth of experience to the role. His background includes rising through the ranks from constable to senior leadership positions within the police service, which has garnered him support from lawmakers who emphasized his understanding of security challenges facing Kenya. During his swearing-in ceremony, Chief Justice Martha Koome highlighted the dual challenges and opportunities that lie ahead for Kanja. The current climate demands a collaborative approach between the police and judiciary to enhance justice delivery, particularly in light of recent protests against government policies. Lawmakers have urged Kanja to prioritize reforms within the police service and to address issues such as enforced disappearances and excessive use of force during arrests. The case of Gilbert Masengeli. In stark contrast to Kanja's ascension is the situation surrounding Gilbert Masengeli, who served as acting IG before Kanja's appointment. Masengeli faced severe criticism for his defiance of judicial authority, notably failing to comply with 7 court summons related to the alleged abduction of activists. His non-compliance resulted in a 6-month prison sentence and withdrawal of security from High Court Judge Lawrence Mugambi, reflecting a significant breach of protocol and respect for the judiciary. Masengeli's actions have raised serious concerns about accountability within the police force and its relationship with the judiciary. His disregard for court orders not only undermined judicial authority but also contributed to public distrust in law enforcement agencies. This episode serves as a cautionary tale for Kanja as he steps into his new role. Lessons for Douglas Kanja. Kanja's tenure can benefit from several key lessons derived from Masengeli's experience. Respect for judicial authority, upholding court orders and fostering a cooperative relationship with the judiciary is paramount. Kanja must ensure that police operations align with legal standards to restore public confidence, accountability and transparency. Implementing mechanisms for accountability within the NPS will be crucial. This includes addressing past abuses and ensuring that officers are held responsible for their actions. Community engagement. Building trust with communities through transparency and engagement can help mitigate tensions between law enforcement and citizens, especially in times of unrest. Reform implementation. Kanja should prioritize reforms aimed at improving police conduct, particularly regarding human rights practices during protests and arrests. Leadership by example. As a leader, Kanja must embody integrity and professionalism, setting a standard for officers under his command. In summary, Douglas Kanja's appointment as Inspector General presents an opportunity for transformative leadership within Kenya's police service. By learning from the missteps of his predecessor, he can work towards rebuilding trust between law enforcement and the public while ensuring adherence to judicial authority and human rights standards.